Hi, I'm Peter Bruck, building official for the City of Rohnert Park in California. Today, I'm in Chicago at their Center for Green Technology. In ICC's award-winning first video on green buildings, several of my colleagues across the country joined me in showing different approaches being made by ICC members. In Rohnert Park, my City Council supported efforts to research and design a green building ordinance. In Chicago, local officials have created incentives including fast-track permitting and tax breaks. In Scottsdale, Arizona, the focus includes working with the realities of environment and climate. While in Seattle, an emphasis has been placed on leading by example with new public buildings. And in Aspen, the community is experimenting with aggressive approaches to new construction. Based on leadership from its board and staff, and bolstered by feedback from members and strategic partners, the ICC has embarked upon a green tactical plan.
In the past year, the Code Council has become a vocal supporter of the Green Building Initiative and is undertaking several projects to help ensure the safety of sustainable design and construction.
Past board president Wally Bailey made green buildings a top initiative during his tenure. As a result, the board issued a position statement in 2007 on green buildings and sustainable communities to emphasize its commitment to social responsibility and expand the boundaries of public safety. Today, the Code Council remains committed to promoting codes, training, certification, publications, and other practices that contribute to well-grounded and informed decisions regarding public safety. The foundation for green building exists in energy conservation. In reality, the I-Codes have championed green practices for many years through the International Energy Conservation Code. The IECC continues to be considered the benchmark for conserving resources as referenced by the U.S. Department of Energy. Also in 2007, the Code Council and the National Association of Home Builders agreed to co-produce the National Green Building Standard. This new standard has been developed through a consensus-based process that is consistent and coordinated with the ICC family of codes and standards. A broad-based input from about 3,000 participants represented key professions, academia, and the general public, along with code officials. The National Green Building Standard proposes a voluntary approach that establishes a threshold, not a ceiling, for focusing attention on green building standards. During this time frame, the Code Council also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the U.S. Green Building Council. The intent of this MOU is to explore opportunities for joint development of information that will be valuable to code officials and other interested disciplines. 2007 also saw the Code Council actively involved in monitoring the development of a host of other standards, initiatives, and legislation, including ASHRAE 189.1 Standard for High Performance Buildings, Green Globe's Design Version 1 for Post-Construction Assessment, and the California Green Building Code. The Code Council has added more issues to its review in 2008. The Federal Energy Independence and Security Act, Section 413, regarding an energy code for manufactured housing, which references the IECC. The Lieberman-Warner Climate Change Bill, the Congressional Caucus on High Performance Building, the Green Collar Jobs Initiative, the National Institute of Building Sciences Report on High Performance Building, and the Federal Green Act of 2008 referencing ICC's new National Green Building Standard. Meanwhile, ICC Evaluation Services is designing a green verification program to assist design professionals in determining which products or systems qualify for points under the National Green Building Standard or rating systems such as the U.S. Green Building Council's LEED system or the Green Building Initiative's Green Globes program. This program is designed to stand as an independent verification that a product or system would qualify under a particular program. Another initiative underway is an accreditation program for organizations that test and inspect green products. This will be the focus of our subsidiary, International Accreditation Services. IAS, on its website and in its accreditation certificates, will specifically identify companies whose scope of accreditation includes green testing and green inspections. Now available from the ICC Training and Education Department are 4 new courses addressing green issues. A Train the Trainer event was held in Chicago to familiarize ICC instructors with these new course offerings, which are also being filmed for webinar application. These courses include I-Codes in Green Building. It provides an overview of current green building practices and the relationship to construction codes. ICC 700, the 2008 National Green Building Standard, and Introduction. Developing local green building ordinances and programs, and Green Buildings and LEED. Check the ICC website for more course information, including the upcoming Green Building Institute. ICC Chief Executive Officer Rick Weiland announced in 2007 that a new certification exam would be developed specifically for green buildings. The first in a series of exams has been developed as an entry-level exam for building officials, inspectors, planners, zoning personnel, mayors, city council members, county supervisors and commissioners, developers, as well as other interested parties. Future exams under development will focus on inspector and plan review tools with emphasis on the IRC and inspector and plan review tools with emphasis on the IBC. At its July meeting in Denver, the ICC Board of Directors voted to establish a Sustainable Building Technology Committee to explore options and encourage discussion around the feasibility of developing or revising I-Codes to further address sustainability issues. A new marketing initiative around the IECC is also under development, along with consideration of new guidelines sustainability. The ICC strongly believes in partnering with other organizations in ways that can benefit its members and further its building safety mission. As an example of this commitment, the ICC joined the National Association of Counties Green Government Initiative. Executive Board member Ron Lynn of Clark County, Nevada, participated in the NACO Green Codes training activities at the 2008 NACO Annual Conference in Kansas City. The NACO Green Government Initiative website, with its listing of county initiatives, inspired the ICC to design a Green Codes webpage with a link to the NACO site, but also encompassing activities at the municipal and state levels. The ICC encourages you to contribute activities in your jurisdiction to the growing list. This webpage provides a service to code drafting activities around the country when a peer discussion or key language is sought. As you can see, the ICC is actively pursuing information, creating tools, and promoting its building safety mission in the rapidly evolving world of green building. The Code Council hopes that you will join in utilizing opportunities to frame and design the green building discussion at home and wherever the ICC is asked to serve.